Hey, this is Riley with Best Pro Trade. I'm trying to get long on the YM. I've got my buy order at 17,036. You can see we got a buy signal R7 telling us this reversal, and I'm trying to get filled 2 ticks above the precision trend line, and I may have missed that. I'm gonna I may move my entry up if I get an up bar. Let's see what happens. Upper left hand corner, I have the market analyzer, and I'm using it as a scalper. Short-term trend right now, the 2-minute, the 3-minute, and the 5-minute is telling me the trend is up. So this is actually I'm using as a scanner, and I've got a 6 range, 8 range, 3 tick, 6 ticks, 12 ticks in this market analyzer. So I'm trying to get long on a continuation of this buy signal. Okay, I'm long one contract on the YM. I'm just going to move my target up out of the way, and I'm going to move my stop up and put it just below the precision trend line. So I've got a 6 tick stop. Okay, I'm going to move my stop up a little bit more. This is my 3-minute chart. In the bottom left hand corner I also have a 15-minute chart up. You can see the trend bars are showing me that the trend is down. I'm trying for a continuation of this buy signal, this on the 5-2 wrinkle bar chart to my right. So I move my stop up, and I've got a 5-tick stop right now. Okay, I finally got a couple of up bars. I move my stop. I got a 4-tick stop right now. I'm just going to wait and see if it moves up a little bit more, trying to get as much room as possible. So hang in there. I'm using the precision trend line as a shield to my stop. You can see the price came right to it and bounced off of it. You can see that the my scanner windows are getting positive. Market analyzer, they're starting to turn positive green longs. I did get a resistance line started painting on the chart at 061, and the pivot line is at 062. There's a price projection line, little green dot, 068. So right now I'm just going to put my my target at 067. Okay, the mid band is at 048, and that will act as a minor resistance. You can see the price is reacting to that price level. Okay, the market analyzer window is telling me it's positive up pressure on the YM. That's the bottom row, all the way down to the 12 Renko. The ES also was giving me green all the way down. Now you can see the windows are flashing red in the shorter time frames, the 2-minute, 1 minute, and the 2-minute. Okay, this is a pre-market trade on Friday morning. got a nice bounce off of the precision trend line, went to the mid band, and now it bounced off the mid band. So I'm going to hang in there and see what happens, because I'm only risking four ticks on the YM. Price had a hard time breaking that mid band. It's still trying to break it. You can see the candle with that long wick on it. Still hadn't broke it yet. Okay, the price, it closed right at the mid band. I got a buy signal on a blue bar. Of course, the 061 is going to act as resistance, but I'm going to try to stay in this trade. You can see the YM market analyzer green all the way down until you get to the 12 Renko. Your first daily targets is the first one is at 120.17, 123. Let's see. I'm just going to put it 4 ticks below that and let it ride. See what happens. So I'm in a no risk trade. I'm fixing to move it. Now I'm in a no risk trade. Now watch the price when it hits the pivot line at 17.062 and that resistance line at 0.61. Okay, my stop right now is 2 ticks below the precision trend line. You also have a support line and a floating fib at 17.042. Didn't quite make the resistance line. It came within 3 ticks of it. Now this is my support area. I'm using this support line, floating fib, precision trend line, pivot line as a shield to my stop. Okay, right now I'm at a break even plus 3 ticks. Okay, the price came back down to the mid band, and I got another buy signal, and the price is testing the resistance area right now. I've got nothing but green on the YM all the way down. The ES is turning green, positive. Only have 3 red windows on the ES. So it should break this resistance. Right now it's backing off. Let me point out, you also have the same resistance area on the 3-minute chart as well as the 5-2 Renko bar, which makes it even stronger resistance area. Okay, the precision trend line moved up, so I'm going to move my stop up a little bit. Not much. One tick. I'm still going to leave it below the blue support line and a floating fib. Okay, the price just bounced off of the resistance area. And now this is the key area for support on the YM. Precision trend line, support line, and floating fib, and my stop is 2 ticks below the support line. I'm just going to leave this open. You can see my target on the 3-minute chart. I could have put my target below the resistance area and gotten filled, but I'm going to try for a longer trade today because this is the YM $5 a tick, so I'm going to see what will happen. I'm in a no risk trade, so I'm going to let it rock and roll. Got the same support on the 3-minute chart as well. Uh, 042. Okay, we did get a bounce from the support area. Your market analyzer window is looking a little mixed. It's 9 o'clock, so I'm going to let it rock. Your next resistance area is showing up on the 3-minute chart right at the upper band. You have a resistance line at 073, and the price range line just started painting on the chart at 071. So this is going to be act as resistance, and I may move my target down to this area because it's at the upper band. And I have another buy signal. The market analyzer starting to turn positive. On the 5-2, I got a resistance line at 073 at the upper band. It's at the same price as the resistance showing up on the 3-minute chart. I'm thinking I'm just going to let it ride, see what happens. But I am expecting the price to. Let me put a little box on there. This is the resistance area I'm looking for the price to react to and push back off of. I've got it on the 5-2 also. I want the price to blast right through there, but I know this is going to be a resistance area. As the precision trend line moves up, I will move my stop up and put it at least 2 ticks below the precision trend line and use that as my trailing stop. Okay, the precision trend line stepped up. I'm going to move my stop up, put it 2 ticks below the precision trend line, and use that as a shield to my stop. Precision trend line moved up, so I move my stop up 2 ticks. Okay, the price is testing the resistance area. I'm going to pull this over a little bit. It's 9:23 Eastern Standard Time. We got about 7 more minutes before the U.S. market opens up. As soon as the precision trend line flattens out, I'm going to raise my stop up. Looks like right now it's going to be around 052. Right now the market analyzer is positive all the way down, and the ES is only have two red windows on the ES, but it needs to break this resistance area. Another resistance area would be 079 price range line. Okay, the price broke through this resistance line, hit the price range line, and we've got about 3 more minutes before the U.S. market opens up. I'm going to raise my stop up and put it right below the mid band in a floating fib. The U.S. market still has 9:28. My computer clock's down in the right hand corner, and I think I've got a timestamp on the recorder. Let's see. I wanted to get rid of the box. to raise my stop up to put it right under this candle with a whip on it, a little wick. I'm going to raise my stop up and put it under the support line, this fuchsia dotted line. I'm going to raise my target up a little bit. Put it 3 ticks below the first daily target. The U.S. market just opened up. Pull my stop up 2 ticks, 3 ticks below the precision trend line. It's really strong to the upside. Came within 4 ticks of hitting my target. Raised my stop up a little bit. Put it 2 ticks below the precision trend line. Well, actually that's 4 ticks below it. Okay, got stopped out. I'm gonna see what I did on this trade. One contract. Well, I almost got $300, $295, trading one contract on the YM. And look, I got stopped out to the tick. This is Rally with Best Pro Trade.